Hey guys, I am so sorry about that. Thank you for coming back to my channel. This is Heart and Hand Creations and Events, and I'm Alicia. And before I was so rudely interrupted, technical difficulties, you know my setup can be a little, but anyway, the cart, this is what it's looking like. And remember when I showed you before, it had shelves or boxes that go inside. And while I was trying to fix the technical difficulty, I found some letters so that I could spell out sweet treats on the cart once it's done. So yeah, and that's what I'll be doing. In the next video, I will be spray painting the sweet cart, and hopefully it'll dry fast enough so that I can finish showing you how I'm going to decorate the cart. And I believe I showed you before in the other video when I said I was going to redo some projects that I hadn't finished, and I was going to finish them up with you guys. I said I was going to use this mirror duct tape to make stripes on the awning of my cart. So stick around, guys. I will be back with the next video to finish up the sweets cart. Alright guys, and you have a great evening, great afternoon, a great morning, wherever you are and whatever time it is a day for you. And I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below, and hit that notification bell so that you can see the next upload. Alright guys, bye bye.